Ready to embark on a quest to unravel the mysteries of the middle class? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're strapping on our boots and delving deep into the labyrinth of class definitions, separating fact from fiction, and shedding light on the tangled web of financial implications. But hey, before we plunge headfirst into this exhilarating journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more enlightening content like this. And if you're enjoying the ride so far, a quick thumbs up not only gives us a virtual high five, but also helps spread the word to even more eager explorers like yourself. So let's band together and navigate these murky waters of economic ambiguity. Adventure awaits. The vanishing act of the middle class. Let's talk about the middle class, or should I say, the disappearing act of the middle class. Ever feel like you're straddling this invisible line but can't quite grasp what it means? You're not alone. Once upon a time, it referred to those well-off but not nobility in Europe. But fast forward to today, and it's like trying to catch smoke in your hands. Take The Simpsons, for instance. From Homer's blue-collar roots to their current status verging on upper class, it's clear the middle class is more of a shape shifter than a concrete label. And with politicians and companies constantly wooing the middle class for votes and sales, it's no wonder confusion reigns supreme. But hey, don't let the ambiguity get you down. We're here to shed some light on this murky topic. So buckle up as we unravel the tangled web of class definitions, debunk myths, and uncover the real deal behind what it means to be middle class in today's world. It's time to cut through the noise and get to the heart of the matter. Ready? Let's dive in. The flawed lifestyle assumption. Now, let's dig a little deeper into the whole lifestyle assumption thing. You know, the dream of 2 cars, a picturesque house, and that annual getaway. It's the quintessential middle-class dream, isn't it? Well, hold on to your seat because in some places, that dream feels more like a mirage, especially for those raking in those high salaries. Imagine earning big bucks and realizing that in certain areas, that dreamy middle-class lifestyle is more like an episode of Lifestyles of the Unattainable. Picture this. Your high salary might barely cover a 1-bedroom apartment and a basic car in some cities. Take San Francisco, for example. Your income might be waving goodbye faster than you can say middle class once you factor in the high cost of living. It's like having a ticket to a concert, but finding out it's in a different city. That illusion can hit you where it hurts, not just in your wallet, but in your career choices. And this illusion doesn't just mess with your dreams of a white picket fence. It's sneakily influencing your job decisions. How? Well, when you're convinced that you should be living the middle-class dream, you might lean towards jobs that align with this imaginary lifestyle. But here's the catch. Some of the most lucrative opportunities out there are in roles often associated with the working class. Think trade jobs, trucking, farming, or oil work. These jobs can be gold mines, offering more financial prosperity and less student debt than some white-collar gigs. Yet, societal perceptions often lead young folks to dismiss these careers, thinking they're only for those who didn't make it into college. Spoiler alert, they might be passing up a golden ticket to financial success. So, let's unravel this tangled web of lifestyle assumptions and explore why chasing an image can lead you down a financial rabbit hole. Grab your detective hat, we're diving in. The inherited status. Alright, let's dig deeper into the fascinating world of inherited status. Brace yourself because we're about to uncover some eye-opening truths. Picture this. Your financial destiny might already be written in the stars, or more accurately, in your parents' bank accounts. Sounds wild, right? But hear me out. Studies from heavy hitters like Georgetown University, Pew Research, and Harvard Business Review have laid bare the harsh reality. Your family's wealth plays a significant role in shaping your adult financial journey. It's like being handed a golden ticket or drawing the short straw in the genetic lottery of life. But instead of DNA, we're talking about dollar signs. But hold on to your hats because we're just scratching the surface here. See? It's not just about the cold, hard cash in your family's coffers. It's about the doors that wealth can open and the ones it can slam shut. Think of it as a domino effect, where access to better opportunities and resources propels you forward, while financial hurdles and barriers hold you back. It's a sobering realization that your socioeconomic status isn't just a product of your hard work and determination. It's deeply intertwined with the circumstances you were born into. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't this supposed to be the land of equal opportunity, where anyone can pull themselves up by their bootstraps? Well, in an ideal world, sure. But the harsh truth is that wealth begets wealth, and those born into privilege often have a head start in the race of life. So, as we peel back the layers of this complex puzzle, keep an open mind and prepare to challenge the status quo. After all, understanding the forces at play is the first step toward forging a brighter, more equitable future for all. Unnecessary risks and smart risks. Alright, let's unpack the wild world of risk-taking when you're stuck in the middle-class mindset. Ever find yourself tempted by those flashy scams promising overnight riches? Or maybe you've dabbled in some risky investment schemes, hoping to strike it big and finally break free from the financial grind? Well, hold on to your hats, because we're about to dive headfirst into the murky waters of financial anxiety and its dangerous dance with perceived middle-class status. It's like navigating a minefield blindfolded, and trust me, you don't want to step on the wrong explosive. But here's the kicker. It's not just about falling for scams or making questionable investment choices. Nope, the illusion of job security can also be a sneaky culprit in this risky game of financial roulette. Ever feel like you're stuck in a dead-end job, too afraid to rock the boat and explore better opportunities? You're not alone. Many folks get trapped in the comfort of familiarity, afraid to take the leap into the unknown for fear of losing that perceived safety net. But here's the truth bomb. Sometimes, the biggest risks yield the greatest rewards. So, there you have it, the truth behind the middle-class illusion. It's time to break free from the misconceptions, redefine success on your terms, and take control of your financial destiny. Remember, your financial security is a journey, not a destination. As we wrap up another episode of Wealth Way, we're grateful for your company. We hope the financial wisdom shared here today aids you on your wealth-building quest. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button and join our community by subscribing. For any questions or insights you'd like to share, the comments section is all yours. Until our next meeting, keep chasing your financial dreams because on Wealth Way, we believe your wealth is just around the corner.